video, we're going to do a wrap to unwrap, wrap to unwrap. So what we're going to do is start off with that little connection that we had a while ago. Remember how we got in this position? Again, one more. You go to sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. It's an easy way to get into it, but other ways also. So look in your private lesson style videos to understand that. Now, from this position, we're open slightly, and we take the right hand, go right, left, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Yes, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. All right, let's take it toward the camera and then away from it. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Yes? All right, so nice and easy. Remember, keep in rhythm. Get your basics as far as getting in position, gentlemen. Lead that prep with right, left, okay? So go practice this and then come on back for your next pattern.